So children, parallel lines. Third video we are seeing and doing children here. I'll go to the page number 4. Is link is in description. Question number 20. What is question number 20? Prove that the two arms of an angle are perpendicular to the two arms of another angle. Then the angles are either equal or supplementary. Okay, children. What is asking? There are two arms. Children. There are two arms. This is one. There are two arms. Two arms. Prove that if the two arms of an angle are perpendicular to two arms of other angle, this see children, A, B, C, D. Okay, children. He's saying this is perpendicular to this and this is same. Okay, children, try to understand. Okay, prove that if two arms of an angle are perpendicular to the two arms of another angle, then the angles are either equal or supplementary same. Okay, children. Okay, so like this you can use it, children. So if you take like this, if you take he is saying perpendicular. If you want like this also, you can draw children. Any way you can draw like this also. Your question. It's up to you. Like this also you can draw. These two arms are perpendicular to other two arms. Try to understand. These two arms are perpendicular to other two arms. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees, because linear way. If this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees because linear way. So 90 and 90 vertically opposite angles are equal. That only he is asking us to prove. Hence prove. And 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Supplement. Those who didn't understand, again I'm saying. These are two angles. These are two angles. Okay. This is 90 he said. Okay. And this is saying if two arms of an angle are perpendicular, they didn't say this is 90. They didn't say these both are 90. They didn't say. He's saying these two arms are perpendicular to these two arms. He says that's all. If this is 90, I said this is 90. Why? Linear way. If this is 90, this is also 90. Why? Linear way. 90 and 90 vertical opposite angles are equal, hence proved as same. Or 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 supplementary. Okay, children? He didn't give this and this as 90. He gave this as 90. If this is 90, this is 90 linear way. This is 90, this is 90. That is 23rd subject. Okay, you have to write statements. You have to write statements. Okay, what you write? A BOC is 90. AOC also 90 linear way. A BOC is 90. BOD also 90 linear way. And AOC and BOD are 90, 90. So proved as equal angles. Or this plus this is 180. Proved as supplementary. Like that you should. Please go to 24th subject. 24th. 24th sum is very, very important, children. So many times in exam, board exam also they ask this question when 9th class board exams were there. See here, children, like this. 24th question. Here is an angle. Here is an angle. Okay. So CDP AB. CDP AB. Okay. Lines AB and CD are perpendicular, children. Children, these both are perpendicular. He said. Line AB and CD are perpendicular, is saying children parallel, and P is point as shown in the figure. Children, this is point P. These both are parallel. Parallel will represent with two arrows, children, three arrows or three. Show that ABP plus CDP is equal to DBP. ABP, this angle, CDP, this angle is equal to DBP, this angle. He's asking to prove. Children, I'm writing required to prove here. Please see, children, x plus y is equal to z we have to. X plus y is equal to z we have to. Okay, children. Now this is the original diagram. I'm not changing original diagram. Again, I will draw one diagram here so that you won't get any confusion. Please see here, children. Here I will draw one line, children. Here I will draw one line which is parallel to both of them. All three are parallel. I'm drawing one line parallel. Construction. We should mention construction. Okay. C, P. Draw P parallel to AB and CD. Draw PE parallel to AB and CD. Okay, children? So, please see here, x is equal to 1. Can anyone say why x is equal to 1, children? Angle x is equal to angle 1. Anyone say why?
Alternate interior angles.
Very good, very good. Very good, Shan. Interior alternate angles. Can anyone say angle y is equal to angle 2? Can anyone say why, children?
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, children. Alternate. So, children, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to. Now, add both. X plus y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So, x plus y is equal to. What is 1 plus 2, children? What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is how much? Z.
3.
1 plus 2 is Z. 1 plus 2 is, children, my 2 and my Z are same. Okay, 1 plus 2 is Z. 1 plus 2 is Z. So Z, hence put. That's it, children. I hope you are comfortable, children. I hope you understood. Okay, children, those who didn't understand, I'm saying again, I'm drawing a parallel line here. Y is equal to alternate interior angles. X is equal to 1, alternate interior angles. X plus y is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is Z. 1 plus 2 is Z. Total angle is like that we should do. Please copy fast. Copy fast. Copy fast. Okay, so the next sum. 25th sum. 25th sum. Please concentrate here, children. 25th. Okay. 25th sum, what is saying 10.0119 figure, children. See here. Same like that on the figure. So I don't know what is the sum. Okay, A, B, P. And what else is there, children? C is there, children. Is asking you to prove that ABP plus BPD plus CDP is equal to 360 degrees. We have to put, children. That's all. This is X. Oh, sorry. This is X. No, in last one. This is Y. This is Z. Okay, ABP. This is equal to required to prove. I'm writing required to prove X plus Y plus Z is equal to 360 degrees. We should do. Children, let's start. Construction as usual, children. Every the construction will be there. Okay, so I'm constructing, children. Draw P. Okay, remove Z, children. The whole thing is Z only. Okay, sure, I'll draw another figure because you will get confusion. This is Z, no? No more confusion here. Okay, so please see here, children. I hope everyone are concentrating. Please concentrate here, children. Y, and this is X. And children, I will limit as 1 and limit as 2. 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? Anyone?
Z.
Z.
Z angle Z, sir.
Very good. 1 plus 2 is Z. 1 plus 2 is Z. Now you see, children. X plus 1 is equal to 180 degrees. Can anyone say why? I'll see who will take that. Huh? Huh?
Co-interior.
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles are supplementary. Y plus 2 is also equal to 180 degrees. Y means co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. What did you write here? Co-interior angles are supplementary. Now add both. Add both. If I add both, children, see here. X plus 1, Y plus 2, 180 plus 180. X plus Y plus 1 plus 2 is how much? 1 plus 2 is Z. Z is equal to 180 plus 180 is 360. Hence, prove. That's it. Anyone have any doubt, children? X plus 1 is co-interior supplementary. Y plus 2 is co-interior supplementary. I added both. Co-interiors are supplementary. Co-interiors are supplementary. Co-interiors are supplementary. Please note out. Please note out. Co-interiors are supplementary. Okay, children. Very good. Next sum. Please go to next sum, children. What is the next sum? 26th sum, children. All of you concentrate. 26th sum. Everyone should copy down, children. No one is sitting idle. A, B, C. Children, there is A, B, C. This is A, this is B, this is C. And another triangle is there, children. D, E, F. And the angle is there, D, E, F. D, E, F. Okay. So what he's saying means, children, arms BA and BC. Arms BA and BC of ABC are parallel to ED. So children, this is parallel. This are parallel. He's saying very good. Let's say they are parallel. Okay. Prove that ABC is equal to DEF. He's asking to prove that angle. Children, we have to require to prove is what, children? Angle B is equal to angle B. Okay. What is given, children? What is given? AB is parallel to CD, ED. And BC is parallel to EF. BC is parallel to EF. These are required, given. Required to prove is different. Okay, what is required to prove? We have to prove that Angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle B. Okay, children. Now, so when they are given like this, children, these both are parallel lines. Just I will join, children. I will join C. They both are parallel lines only, no, children. They are in same line. I will join C. If I join C, B and D will become what, children? Anyone?
Corresponding angles.
Very good. Shanmukh is saying very nicely. Corresponding angle. B and D will become corresponding angles. Okay. B and D will become corresponding angles. At the same time, you will get doubt. Sir, if they are little bit up and down, what you will do? Yes, I will do like that also. I never show. You may get that doubt also, no, children. Sir, they are you are putting they are side by side and putting draw line. They get in a figure like that. That's why I'm saying no. Little bit up will make like this. I will put. Then also you can put it. Then also you can put. Okay. This C I will extend like this. This E I will extend like this. C, children. Here. If this is X, this is also X. Y, children? Corresponding. If this is X, this is also X. Y, children? Corresponding. And so X is equal to X. So what? Like that also we can prove. You may say, sir, you kept side by side and you're joining cheating, sir. You may say, I kept one down and one up. I just extended this one. I extended this one. These both are parallel lines, and these both are parallel lines. These both are parallel lines. So X is equal to X because corresponding. These both are parallel lines. He only gave. So X is equal to X corresponding. Therefore, X is equal to X. You have to write everything in the form of statements, children. How you want to do? You have to write in the form of statements. Okay. If they give up and down, do like this. If they give side by side, extend and join. That's all. Okay, children? I hope you are able to understand. Very good. Next one. Yeah, children, next one. What is the next assumption? 27th assumption. Now, if you see here in the figure 20.121, in the figure 20.121, one is straight, one is reverse. Children. One is like this, children. A, B, C. One is like this, children. E, E, F, D, E, F. So what they give, children, here? Same, children. A, B, and B, C are parallel to ED and EF. Children, he's saying these both are parallel as usual, and these both are parallel. He's saying, children, he's asking me to prove that ABC plus DEF is equal to 180. Children, this is B. He's saying required to prove. Follow with this, children. Angle B plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. He's asking to prove. Anyone wants to do this sum, or shall I say, children? Anyone wants to try? Anyone wants to try, or shall I say, children? Okay, I will tell children. Just simple. Extend ED like this. Extend C like this. Simple. Okay. If this is X, this is also X. Y corresponding X. And X plus E is equal to 180 degrees. Why X plus E is equal to 180? Anyone's why X plus E 180? Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles.
Yeah, this plus this is 180 means this plus this is also 180. Oh, what you're trying to understand? Are you able to understand, children? See, if angle ABC is X, then EDF also X. EDF also X. Now, X plus E is equal to 180. Why, children? Co-interior angles are supplementary. But X is what, children? ABC. So, angle B plus angle E is equal to 180. That's all, children. Those who didn't understand, again, I'm saying, children, extend C, children, extend ED. So, if this is X, this is also X, corresponding angles are equal because this and this are parallel. If this is X, X plus E is 180 because co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. This is X because they are corresponding. Like that, you should understand. Go to next page, children. Go to next page, fifth page. Next page, please. Yes, please go to next page. Okay, children. Are you enjoying parallel line sums, children? Did you like it? If two interior angles of on same side of intersecting two parallel lines are in the ratio of 2:3 ratio, Children, these two are parallel. This is a transversal. If two interior angles on the same side, this is and this, okay, they are in 2:3 ratio. 2:3 ratio. This is 2x and 3x. Can anyone say what is 2x plus 3x? How much?
180, sir.
Why 180?
Co-interior angle.
Co-interior angles.
Are supplementary. Co-interior angles are. Co-interior angles are. Co-interior angles are.
Supplementary.
All are sleeping, I think. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 5. X is equal to 36. So 2x means 2 into 36. 3x means 3 into 36. 1 is 78. 1 is 108 degrees. Like this. How much you do, children, that much perfect you'll become, children. So 78 degrees and 108. 78 plus 108 is 180 because pointed angles are supplementary. That is your 10th sum.
Sir,
Sir,
2x is 72, not 78.
okay, sorry. 72, yes, thank you for explaining. 72, 11 subject. There are two parallel lines, children, and this is a transversal. One angle he is saying this is 120 plus x, children. He is saying this is 120 plus x degrees. Okay, and he is saying this is x. Okay, what is the value of x is saying, children? What is the value of x? What is the value of x is saying, children? Okay, so children, all of you see here, what is the value of x? If this is x, this is also x. Why, children? Anyone?
Vertically opposite
Vertically
angles.
Vertically
angles
opposite angles.
are equal.
These both are equal to supplementary. Why?
Co-interior angles are
Co-interior
Co-interior
angles are
angles are
supplementary.
Sure. Add them. 120 plus x is equal to 180 because co-interior angles are supplementary. If this is x, this is x. This plus this is 120 plus 2x is equal to 180. 120 you bring here. 2x is equal to 60. X is equal to 30 degrees. So what? X is equal to how much, children? 30 degrees, children. X is 30 degrees. That's it. Very easy sum. Only logic. Next one, children. Next one. They didn't give the figure, children. You should be in a position to draw the figure. 12th sum. They didn't give the figure, children. 12th sum. Please check, children. 12th sum, they didn't give the figure. Two lines, AB and CD, intersect at O, like this. AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, children. AOC plus COB plus VOD is 270. Then find AOC. Huh? Once again, children. AOC plus COB plus VOD. Okay, children. Angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle DOB is equal to 270 degrees. He's asking only if COB is how much. Only, only
Sir,
AOC.
can I do this sum?
Yes, tell. Only AOC is how much? A1.
Sir, AOC plus COB plus COD plus AOD is equal to 360 degrees. Angle sum property.
Okay, we'll write like this. This is X, this is X. Y. You only tell Y.
Vertically opposite angles.
If this is Y, this is Y. Y.
Vertically opposite angles.
Now tell me complete angle how much?
360 degrees.
2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degrees. Take 2 common. How much?
2x plus y is equal to 360.
Now 2 will take down.
X plus y is equal to 180.
X plus y is equal to 180. Now here AOC is how much? X. BOC is how much? Y. DOB is how much? X is equal to 270. This sum already told you, like this sum. See children. See children, try to understand. So x plus x is how much?
2x.
270. X plus y is how much? 180. We have two
180
equations.
degrees.
Change the signs. Change the sign. Plus y minus
X
y
is
cancel.
equal to
2x minus x is
x is equal to 60 degrees.
90 degrees.
90, sorry sir.
270 minus 180 is 90. So x is AOC. AOC is 90 or DOB is also 90. This is 90. This is all are 90. 90, 90. If this is 90, this is also 90. 90. All are 90. Okay, so the next one. Figure 13. They have given the figure also. Children. AEF is 95 children. This is 95. VHS is 110. This is 110. ABC is X.